Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the one and only Maybe It's Mimi, of course, and I am back again with another hair tutorial video. So about 4 months ago, I showed you guys this unit that I got from a company called Allove Hair. I showed y'all when I first received it, even when I tried it on, and also I did a whole installation video about it. So now this is the hair 4 months later. I decided to spice things up a little bit by bleaching it and also coloring it red using a door, and it came out so freaking pretty. Okay, so now this is a side-by-side comparison 4 months later. And now if you guys want to see how I maintained this wig throughout the months and how I installed it and fixed it up a little bit, then make sure you guys stay tuned, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So now I'm going to start off by brushing the ends first, and I feel like this is easier because when you start brushing the whole wig, it just makes it smoother. And you know, this is a curly unit. All curly hair tends to, like, you know, shed and get tangled. It just makes the process really easier. And then I'm going to start off by rinsing the hair, and you guys are going to see the color coming off, but that's because I used a door. A door is like a temporary rinse on hair. It's not like permanent. So this is how the hair looks like after I let it air dry. The frontal looks really clean. Secondly, the hair color is still there. Like, it is really pretty and thoroughly. The curl pattern is still up to par, and I'm surprised because, like, I bleached this unit and dyed it and the curl pattern has not changed. So now I'm gonna start off by just using my Got To Be Glue gel and protecting my edges, basically just pushing them back. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my powder that kind of matches my skin color and apply it to the lace. So after brushing out this unit, I'm going to go ahead and take my hot comb and kind of like comb out and press down like the top, because it was looking kind of crazy. It was looking humpier, and I just want to like calm it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and begin to position my wig. And of course, I'm going to take the Got To Be Glue gel to do my sides. Oops. What the freak? But anyways, I'm going to begin applying that gel to my sides before I begin spraying the bedhead spray. This is literally the most easiest way on how to install your lace front wig. Literally all you have to do is just spray it down, rub it a little bit with your fingers or comb it out, and then blow dry it. Literally, it is fast and it's easy and it's simple. And like, secondly, the bedhead spray doesn't get messy like how other hairsprays do. We are about to begin to slay our edges. I'm going to take my Nairobi, of course. This is my favorite freaking mousse. I love this, like, for real, y'all. So I'm going to take it and apply it, and then I'm going to comb it out. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer and dry it so that it won't be, like, you know, too wet, so I can kind of get that damp feeling. And then I'm going to just go ahead and slay my edges. And this is the most important part of the front of your hair. Your edges can literally make or break you. So now it is time to touch up my frontal parts. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and take my Quick Cover Up by Kiss in the color dark brown. This is only for roots, but you know, you can use it for your eyelashes or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and define my part a little bit more. It's just like applying like mascara, but instead you're applying the mascara to the root of your hair. And the reason why I did this is because my part is kind of getting old, and secondly, I wanted to look a little bit more natural. And then you see this pinky of yours is going to be your best freaking friend while doing this, because you're just going to take the pinky and of course rub it in a little bit so it can look natural and not too harsh. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm sorry it's upside down, but this is in the color Fawn. I'm going to use a conceal brush, and I kind of put too much, so I'm going to take some off a little bit. But I'm going to use this and basically brighten up my middle part. And y'all, I'm going to start doing like side parts very soon. I'm always used to doing middle parts because it's just like, I don't know, girl, it's a habit. But comment down below if you prefer side parts or middle parts. So by making sure your unit is flat and neat, you can just take a wand or a hot comb and press the top of your hair so it can not be like, you know, bumpy. You know, us females like wearing braids underneath our wigs. We like having sometimes our real hair underneath our wigs, or some of us are just bald like me. I cut my hair, you guys. So then I'm going to go ahead and take my wax stick that I got from Amazon. I use this in almost like every single video or whatever. And of course I'm going to get those sides, because sometimes I hate when like I start feeling hair. I just need it to be like out my way completely. So this is how the hair looks like in its natural state. The curls are still popping or whatever. This hair is literally gorgeous as the freak, okay? Then there's those girls that like to add products to their hair, you know, add mousse or water. I can admit I'm one of those girls or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nairobi mousse and basically apply this all over the hair so that my curls can even be more popping. So boom, this is the final result of the hair. The hair is so freaking pretty and gorgeous. I showed you guys 8 steps on how I revamped my old wig.